So this is Mike. He's shooting his brand new American Colonial flintlock for the first time. Brand new rifle.
Need a flint.
You had a lot of light flip up on those bars back down again, but a flint. Bring it over. That's a hard.
Put it on pause. It's Michael Markey, the artisan that built the rifle, putting a flint in the lock.
I think she's in line right now. Okay.
Could have been
At some point too, if you want your name, your initial engraved on there, and we'll do that.
could have been the office.
Yeah.
They went dang.
Okay.
Huh?
You know what I like about that? That flint is pointing right at the center of the flash pan. That's what I like.
Yeah, it is. And this lines up right with the center too.
Absolutely.
On mine, it sits inboard a little bit. It makes it harder to adjust the flint. That doesn't have a half cock. There it doesn't.
Okay.
It doesn't have a set trigger.
You had a good day, Mike.
Yeah.
Made
Bought a rifle.
Made some money. That's
All right, this is the first time this gun is being shot by the new
That's
owner.
enough. That should be.
First time he's gonna shoot it.
First time. Back up here. How's that? So you know we got to capture that flash.
Okay. You're timing pretty good there. Tell me when and I'll.
Guaranteed to fire. First time.
All right. First shot. Nice.
Went off at least.
It's always gonna go